my name is Dennis Martin and I'm the Group CEO of CTOS Holdings. CTOS Holdings has one of its companies is CTOS Data Systems, which is the largest credit bureau or CRA here in Malaysia. I've been in this industry for over 20 years and I've worked around the world and spent most of that time though in Asia, working in different credit bureaus in the region. I suppose my background in banking led me into this industry, and it's an industry I love because we do so much. And so the reason I love this industry and the reason I enjoy being here and doing what I'm doing is because that we do contribute. We contribute at multiple levels. The first is, if you go back in time, the old banking days, when decisions were made about who to lend to, it was typically based off who you knew or what assets you had to put up as security. But with the advent of CRAs, that all changed. So it's now based on history of information. It's based on a whole range of factors that CRAs provide, which enables people to get access to credit they would never have got before. So now people can get, that housing loan or that car loan without having a long-term relationship with a single bank or having, other assets to put up as security. So we've enabled access to finance for consumers. We've also enabled access for companies as well to get finance. So SMEs can now borrow for new plant or new materials or increased staffing levels and help those businesses grow because of CRAs. And so all of that helps contribute to the growth of the economy. So we allow access to consumers, allow access to SMEs, the economy grows. And that's great for Malaysia. The flip side of that, we also help prevent over-indebtedness. I think everyone knows that people get too far in debt can have huge ramifications. Bankruptcy can cause all sorts of things, from family breakdown to all sorts of dramas. So we help prevent that from happening as well. Now, we don't make decisions, but we provide the information that allows lenders to make those informed decisions. Yeah, we contribute the information, the analytics to make informed, transparent decisions that everyone can say, hey, this is why this happened. But more often than not, it enables people to get access to credit, good credit, where they couldn't get before. So it's really about helping to stimulate the economy in terms of helping the government, stimulate the economy, and we actually help towards GDP growth, which is why organisations like the World Bank and the IFC have specific divisions in them to set up CRAs in developing countries, because they recognise the importance of having them in the economy. Yeah, financial stability is important, and I think I mentioned earlier that about transparency and about being able to understand what's going on and fully aware of circumstance and then learning and improving. So we spend an awful lot of time and money in financial literacy, trying to educate consumers and business on how to run their credit portfolios, if you like, understand that how much they can borrow and what happens if they go over in debt and how many, having too many credit cards and taking up that offer or getting that new toaster for a credit card may not be worth it, right? So it's about understanding what you can afford to repay and how you manage it going forward. And so we do invest a lot in that to make sure that the infrastructure is sound, that the information we have is accurate, is current. I mean, we have a very large database of consumers, individuals, who now access their own report on a timely basis. So they can understand what we have on them and what CTOS, the central bank agency, has on them as well. And so they can learn from that. And they say, if my credit's good, then maybe I can go to my bank and say, hey, look, I'm the sort of customer you want. Look at I've got a good credit score, which is a 3-digit number that we provide, which summarises all that and says, I've got a good credit score, can I get a better rate? Can I get discounts on fees? I'm the sort of customer you want. Conversely, if the score or their rating's not so good, they can learn to fix it, adjust it, do things that can help manage that so they look better when they go to their bank for lending.